Alright guys, welcome back to Offroadicon. My name is Javier. Thanks for joining, and hopefully you can do me a favor, just smash that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification, and comment down below if you have any questions. Today, as you can see in the title, we're going to be talking about a couple new tools I bought. This is based on the fact that a week ago I posted a video on my third and rear track bar, and it kind of turned out that I couldn't finish the job. And what I mean by that is I tightened all the bolts, but I couldn't torque 3 bolts to the right side, or to the right torque rating. They're supposed to go to 160 foot-pounds. I only owned a 3/8 torque wrench, which only went up to about 100 foot-pounds. And not to mention it only went up to 100 foot-pounds. It wasn't very long, so getting that leverage at 100 foot-pounds is pretty difficult. So to solve that problem, I went and bought a new torque wrench. I actually bought 2 new torque wrenches, and that's what this video is gonna be for. So I'm gonna unbox it. You know from the title, it's a Capri tool. Again, I'm not sponsored. I like their tools, lifetime warranty. Based out of Pomona, California. That's only a couple hours, or not even an hour away from me. So I get really fast service, get the product really quick, don't have to pay any extra, which is part of the reason. Let me show you what I'm gonna be replacing. So, right here. As you can see, I'll open it up. This is what I've been using. I've owned this for a long time, probably a good 10 years. It's just a little Husky 3/8 torque wrench. So let's dive on in. You can see me unbox it, open them up, and compare it to this 3/8 torque wrench from Husky. Peace. All right, guys, so here we go. Here it is. This is my 3/8 inch little Husky torque wrench I've had, like I said, 10 plus years. I bought it, or actually, my uncle bought it for me when I had to work on his truck and need to do some torques on his head studs. And it's done good through the years, but it only goes from 20 to 100. And although that works for what I need, a couple things have happened. One, it's never been calibrated after I've purchased it, so I don't even know if it still holds true. I do back it out every time I start, as you should. To use it, it's pretty standard. Pull back, spin it. You have a 1 to 9 right in here with little hashes in the plastic. And there's a center line right here. It'll be hard to see, but there's a center line right here with all the number indicators telling you in 10 foot-pound increments from 20 up to 100 where you could stop. So obviously if you stopped at 20 or 20 and a 1, it'd be 21, and there's actually half line increments in there as well. So you can go down to 1 or half foot-pounds. It's done a great job. Overall, I've put on a bumper tow hitch, or a tow hitch for my Tundra when I had my Tundra. I've worked on the Durango that I fixed up when I had it and torqued everything down with that, and quite a few other things. 100 foot-pounds does the job for a lot of things, but for those who know, when you're putting it at its max level, you really should upgrade. So that's what I did with this next box next to us. All right. Here we go. I ordered this, I believe, on Sunday. It is now Tuesday, and it's here. So again, that's part of the reason I order from them. I get it pretty quick. And it's not any express shipping. In fact, I don't even pay extra for shipping. It's free shipping. But because they're in Pomona, California, and I'm in Hesperia, California, I get my packages quick. Open it up with a little Vicky razor blade. Love this razor blade. Okay. Boom. Boom. Oh. Boom. All right, guys. So, first and foremost, because I purchased and qualified, I got a free tool. And it's actually not even a tool. It is a Capri bottle opener. And I bet that's a number 10 right there. But pretty cool. I like it. It'll definitely go in my toolbox. You know, you had that or stickers, and this seemed like a much, much better idea. The one thing I love about Capri is, and you'll look it online, you can really tell, they have a really good chrome process, and it's really bright, really shiny, very reflective, and it just shows. It's engraved with people, passion, and quality. I know they're not made in the USA. They're made in Taiwan. Taiwan does make good tools. I would gladly take a Taiwan tool over a Chinese tool. I'm sure they come from similar manufacturers as some of the other Taiwanese tools, but I do love their chrome process and how easy it cleans, how bright it is, and it's held up pretty well for me. But definitely appreciate this. Thanks, Capri, for the free gift. I say free. I mean, I spent $100 and I got a bottle opener. So, all right, let's do a direct comparison to a comparison. So let's put this one aside. Let's open up this one. So this is an 80 or 10 to 80 foot-pounds. So I'm going down 10 foot-pounds, and then obviously as far as my starting value and dropping 20 foot-pounds in my ending value. Again, I'm not too worried about that because this other 1/2 inch one does run from 30 to 250. So I should have plenty of range there. Let's go ahead and chop it open. I'm gonna try not to make these videos too long, guys. Let me repeat that. I do suggest if you're going to order, I would order personally from their website. They do have a rewards program. If you sign up, you spend X amount of dollars, you get a percentage back. I find that it ends up being cheaper than ordering on Amazon Prime. You're not paying for shipping. So at the end of the day, I mean, well, I wasn't paying for shipping. It may be different for you, but at the end of the day, at the cost, you're not getting any cheaper on Amazon, and you can also buy it through Home Depot. I've bought a couple times to them, but once they start the rewards program, it's definitely better to buy through them. You get a discount, and then next time you show up, you'll have basically coupon points or reward points to get you to be able to reduce the price of something on your next purchase. So that's kind of nice. A couple of things that are on here: 3/8 drive. It's a plus or minus 4% in accuracy, 10 to 80 pounds, or 17 to 105 Newton meters. All right, and it is ASME certified, okay, and DIN ISO certified. Let's get the box open. Looks like you get your booklet here, scan here for a quick watch how-to video. Open it up. Features, maintenance, calibration standards, just kind of gives you a little bit of information how to use it. Honestly, probably go in the trash. Let's put this to the side, do a quick box-to-box comparison. So I think I put this in backwards. But as you see, this opens up, 2 latches, same thing, opens up, 2 latches. Now this is a brushed finish, kind of nice. It's got a little diamond handle. It's got a lot of heft to it. Right off the bat, there's your certification here. Let's pull this one out. Now, I don't think you guys need to see a box comparison. They're both rolled and molded plastic. So, side by side, you can see there's quite a difference in length. A lot of that's going to be based on the fact that one only goes to 80 foot-pounds and the other one goes to 100 foot-pounds, so you're going to need the leverage. Next thing you have, this is a twist-style top to change rotation from clockwise to counterclockwise, or tighten and loosen. And this is definitely the other way. I will also say, I mean, let's listen to it. It's a lot smoother. There's probably a little bit more slop in the head. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, it's definitely a little tighter in the head. This feels like it's might be even a little bit more teeth. I don't know what the tooth count is on it, guys. Sorry, but we'll see if I end up liking this or not. Off the bat, the text here is a lot easier to read. Handle pulls down fine, rotates fine. Text is small here, but I can see where it goes from 10. So this reads 10 to 80 on the left, 15 to 75 on the right, and you're getting from 5 to 0.5 and it's circling all the way in 5-pound increments. So where this one had 0.5 or half a pound increments all the way to 9, because this was jumping by 10, this one jumping by 5 gives you a little bit less turns in order to get to your value. Depending on how that matters to you, it may or may not. It says right off the bat, just like I told you guys, always set the torque wrench to the lowest torque setting before and after each use. At low torque settings, pull the wrench slowly before you can hear the click. Okay. See if we can take that off now. Nice. All right. So there you go, guys. I like the diamond handle. It's got a red bottom. It's comfy. Definitely a smaller handle than this one. I like the brushed aluminum look. It looks nice. Quick release here, that might be a nice feature. I don't have any problems with not having the quick release feature. This one did have a ball. This one has a ball as well, but the quick release feature sometimes does come in nice. It depends on your preference there. I do like that to grease this head, sorry, you just take some, it appears to be star pattern tool, a star key, I don't know what size that is. Pull it out and you should be able to re-grease it. Sounds really good though. It is really smooth right now, but it does sound like it has a little bit more. As far as, like I said, lower tooth count, which gives you longer turns. I should have. Yeah, this is definitely a tighter tooth count by a lot. All right, that's that one. Let's jump into the next one. All right, let's open it up. So not much to expect as far as difference, except for obviously the size. You do get a sticker inside of them, and then again the certification. This time I'll try to leave that in there. All right, so 30 to 230 on the left, or my left, which is right here, and it looks like you're getting 50 to 250 on this side. And it looks like you're jumping in increments of 2, 18 foot-pounds total is what this will spin at. So you're definitely not getting that level of individual accuracy. It's, if you're on a nice solid round number, it's a little easier, but you're not getting that micro adjustment. But at 200 and whatever this was, 230 pounds, I believe, 250 pounds, sorry, micro adjustment will take a long time. It does have a diamond handle. It is quite a bit larger, but again, you're going quite a bit more. And this would have been a massive, massive difference for me to be able to bite down on those bolts versus trying to get them to 100 foot-pounds. So I'll pull out the last one real quick and go from there. Here's all three side by side. We'll put them by their heads. For comparison's sake, 21 inches is what you have at full extension on the 1/2 inch, or 22 inches, sorry, using a Fat Max 16 foot. Love these. Here you have 14 1/4, and here you have just over 17, about 17 1/8. So there's your setup, guys. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for me, please. Comment down below. Ask me any questions you may have. Can't wait to get these used. Plan on making a little purchase to be able to use these soon. And overall, really excited to have them.